Welcome to this video on how to use the notes on the utility bar. You'll find the notes icon at the bottom of the screen in the utility bar, which is available from any screen within DealerTeam. Let's add a new note by clicking the New button. First, enter a subject for your note. Then type the details in the note area. You can link it to a related record by clicking Add to Records. Select the Object drop-down and choose the appropriate object type, in this case, Contact. In the search area, enter the record name you want to link to the note and click the desired record. Then, click Add to link the note to the record. If you'd like to share the note with other users, click Share. Enter the user's name in the Quick Find area and click Share. Once you're finished, click Done to save your note. And there you go. You now know how to navigate, add, and share notes in DealerTeam's utility bar. Thanks for watching.